Mike ruled his daughter Megan's life like a ruthless dictator.
You don't change, you don't go out. You got that? Change.
A year earlier, he scared her mom away, but Megan was stuck with him.
You still look like a tramp.
It wasn't hard to see why Megan had a hard time keeping a boyfriend.
I want her home at 2,200 hours. You got that?
Almost all fathers are naturally a little bit overly protective. If a father has a history of overstepping their boundaries with young women, they are projecting onto this new suitor sort of an evil intent that maybe actually the father had manifested at some point in his life.
But Megan's new squeeze, Nick, was equal parts bold and dumb. One thing about Mike, he always had his radar up. So when he heard giggles coming from Megan's bedroom, the ex-war vet prepared for battle.
What are you doing here?
We're just...
I told you what was gonna happen! Nothing's
Dad,
gonna happen!
no! Dad!
We're just done. We're not doing anything. We're not doing...
The bad thing about cruel practical jokes...
It's blanks, man. Just blanks. Look!
Sometimes they blow up in your face. When a normal round is fired, the explosion of gunpowder sends a bullet from the chamber. But Mike's gun had blanks with crimped tips in place of the bullet. When he pulled the trigger...
A blank forces a column of air under very high pressure out the front of the barrel, something in the order of 50,000 psi. There was enough pressure to crack his skull, damage his brain, and kill him.
If Megan wasn't already headed for a lifetime of therapy...
You still look like a tramp.
She is now.
Oh, my God!
Gee. Thanks, Pop.